welcome back to Nicole's DIY. I hope everybody is doing well. Today I'm participating in Dena Tollefson's Turquoise Challenge. And in this challenge she has asked that we would use the color turquoise. So I am painting dandelions. And this is going to be a beginner's tutorial on how to paint dandelions using paper towel rolls. So I cut my paper towel roll in half, and then I cut about a third of the way up and made little slits all the way around the whole paper towel roll. For the background paint, I'm using Viridian and Titanium White by Master's Touch. I'm going to mix them together to create a turquoise, a very light turquoise, and I think it's going to be very beautiful for the background. There's just something very special about a dandelion. I can remember as a child picking them, blowing on them, and just watching them fly through the air just so gently. It's just very beautiful. This is my first time painting the dandelions, so I hope you enjoy it. I did paint this at night, and I let it set overnight so it would dry so I could put on the dandelions. So you're going to notice a difference in color and the shade from night to day. And here we are in the day, and it looks so much brighter. So I'm just taking my rolls and dabbing them in the paint, twisting them, and just keep going around several times, giving them a few pats. This is really simple. I saw it on YouTube, and I've always wanted to make the dandelions. And this challenge allowed me to do that. I hope this video encourages you to give it a try and paint something. It doesn't have to be a dandelion. Go on YouTube if you're not too sure of how to do something, and there are so many creators out there that are so willing to share their information with you. So now I'm going to paint on the stems on each one of the dandelions. I'm just using a little bit of paint, just very lightly. So I'm going to use some Q-tips here, and what I've done is secured them with a rubber band, and one set has 5 and the other set has about 7 and one has 3. And I'm going to go on the inner centers of each dandelion and around the outer edges of each dandelion with a few dabs of paint with the Q-tip. So I'm using a glitter paint pen to go on the inner centers and on the stems of each dandelion. Then I'm going to put a few little dots here and there on the canvas itself. Thank you so much for watching my video. I hope you would give me a thumbs up. And if you're new to my channel, please consider subscribing, liking, and sharing my videos. Thank you so much to my subscribers. I thank y'all so much. Y'all have been such a blessing. So please don't forget to hit that like button. It sure does help me out. Please check out the other creators. They will be on Dena Tollefson's channel. I believe it will be uploaded on Saturday, July 27th. All right, until next time, y'all be blessed.